Hi everyone, for today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use an Amazon gift card on Amazon Prime, including for subscription or purchases. So, let's get started. First, to redeem your gift card to Amazon account, all you need to do is to open your Amazon app or go to amazon.com. Then log into your Amazon account. Then go to Amazon Pay or gift card section. Click the redeem or gift card or add a gift card. Enter the claim code from your Amazon gift card. Then after that, click apply to your balance, and this adds the amount to your Amazon Pay balance. And to use the gift card balance on Amazon Prime, you can now use the balance to make purchases on Amazon Prime. You can add any products available with Prime shipping to your cart. At checkout, the Amazon will automatically apply a gift card balance if it's enough. Then, if needed, you can also choose an Amazon Pay as the payment option. And for the pay for the Amazon Prime membership, all you need to do is to go to your Prime membership under your account. Then click the update payment or manage the payment options. Then after that, choose an Amazon gift card balance or make sure that the balance is enough to cover the membership. If it's insufficient, the Amazon will use the balance first, then charge the rest of your backup methods like the credit cards or debit card. And here's the important note. The gift card balance is automatically used to purchases unless you manually change the payment method. You can't use the Amazon gift cards to buy other gift cards. You can use the balance for Prime Video, rentals, ebooks, and more. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down if you need suggestions and more. Thanks for watching.